Does insurance cover bumper damage? Have you ever wondered if your car insurance will help you out when your bumper gets damaged? Bumper damage is something many car owners face, and knowing if insurance covers it is important. Generally, car insurance can cover bumper damage, but it depends on how the damage occurred. Let's break down the types of coverage that might apply. First, there is collision coverage. This type of insurance covers damage to your vehicle from a collision, no matter who is at fault. So, if you accidentally back into a pole or get into an accident, collision coverage usually helps pay for the repairs to your bumper. Next, we have comprehensive coverage. This coverage is for damage that is not caused by a collision. For example, if a tree branch falls on your car during a storm, comprehensive coverage would take care of that damage. Another important type of coverage is liability insurance. If another driver causes an accident and damages your bumper, their liability insurance may cover the costs to repair your vehicle. Before you rush to file a claim, there are a few factors to consider. One key factor is your deductible. This is the amount you must pay out of pocket before your insurance starts to help. If the repair costs are less than your deductible, it might make more sense to pay for the repairs yourself. Also, think about the extent of the damage. If it is minor, filing a claim might not be worth it, especially if the repair costs are close to or less than your deductible. Some insurance companies offer accident forgiveness programs. These programs can prevent your premiums from increasing after a minor accident, which is something to keep in mind. When you assess vehicle damage for insurance purposes, it is essential to document everything thoroughly. Take clear photos and make notes about how bad the bumper damage is. If you decide to file a claim, understanding how your deductible affects the payout is vital. In cases where the damage is minor, handling the repairs without involving your insurance company can save you from potential premium increases. However, if the damage is significant, filing a claim can help cover costs that exceed your deductible. So, does insurance cover bumper damage? The answer is yes, but the type of coverage you have and the circumstances surrounding the damage will determine how much help you receive. Always review your policy and consult with your insurance agent to understand your options better.